Supercell is giving away another free evolution, and for the third week it is Evo Electro Dragon. So the difference is you need to farm 25 crowns to get this, unlike the first two Evos that you can get it without farming anything. So let's get it now. But since I already have it, it will be converted to 240 E-Drags. And since I already maxed my E-Drag, it will be converted into 4,800 points. Elite wildcards, I mean. So, you can farm up to 325 crowns to get this Electro Dragon emote and also this banner of Electro Dragon. And another banner of the clouds. So, get it now for this week. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.